SFGC short action field video. Emma's first hunt. Yo-Yo the turkey. We went up and down the roads chasing him everywhere. Finally gave one soft call when we got close to this gobbler, and watch this. He'll shoot him right over here in the clear when he gets to that bare dirt patch. Anytime now. Yep. Congratulations. Unfreaking believable.
That was awesome.
Wow. Holy smokes. Never forget that in your life. Oh, wow. Never forget that in your life. Watching him strut and everything. Okay, safety on.
Yes.
Wow. Man, I gave him one call and he just did, boom.
Because I heard, and then all of a sudden, he was,
Oh, he came in like a string, just. Wow.
awesome.
You know, they had us yo-yoing up and down this road. I mean, I couldn't believe how many times we came up down this road with that son of a gun would call back behind us, and this one down here would start screaming. Oh my Lord, that was, I mean, we could see him come all the way down through the trees here. It's like, here he comes, he's gonna come to this clearing. When he gets past that dirt patch, take him. She's like, can I take him? Oh yeah, you can take him. And he just kept coming closer and closer and closer. She'd wait till he got 10 yards.
Hey, huge. Now you got a thunder chicken.
Yeah, the thunder chicken one down. I hope that wasn't too fast and too easy for you. You're not going to think turkey hunting's much of an effort.
Oh, that knows.
Well, that's my first hunt on this ranch. All right, so that's turkey one. All right. Yeah, oh wow, that was awesome. We didn't even have time to get nervous, did we? She started, she's bringing her gun up. Her gun's like, whoa, whoa, whoa.
You didn't even get to use your butt seat.
Pretty good. We drove up here this morning and saw a hen run across the road. It happens to be where we were planning on stopping the hunt, but that's pretty good evidence to stop and hunt. We're getting out of the truck and we hear gobbles in all directions. Which way to go? Well, we tried every direction. We went up and down these roads over and over and over. Finally got close enough to this one where he set a call, and the first call he just screamed at us and came running in. Kapow! Emma's first hunt. First turkey, Miriam's, congratulations.